Jess has had an outstanding year, representing Great Britain in cycling at the 2024 Olympics, where she secured a bronze medal in the women's team pursuit and set a new national record. Earlier in the year, she earned a silver in the women's team pursuit and bronze in the elimination at the European Championships. She also secured bronze in the elimination at the International Tizard Track Nations Cup. Jess's achievements highlight her talent and dedication in track cycling, and she is an excellent role model for female cyclists.
Mae Emma wedi cael blwyddyn anhygoel gan gipio air yn y sprint tîm yng Nghemau'r Olympaidd Paris ynghyd â medalau efydd yn y digwyddiadau ceryn a sprint sy'n golygu mai hi yw cystadleuaeth Olympaidd benywaidd cyntaf yn 65 mlynedd i ennill 2 medal yn yr un gemau. Yn ogystal â hyn, enillodd Emma fedal air ar gyfer sprint yn y pencampwriaethau Ewropeaidd ac enillodd fedal arian yn y sprint tîm a'r ceryn. Mae cyflawniadau Emma yn dyst i'w hymrwymiad a'i sgil aruthrol.
Aled had an outstanding year in short map bowls. At the World Championships in Belfast, Aled and his teammates won all their group games, defeating England in a thrilling final, achieving 9 wins from 9 games. Aled was part of the Welsh team at the British Championships, and throughout the season he represented his club, county and country. His dedication to the sport is evident in his roles as a club coach, county selector and country selector. His commitment and friendly attitude make him a respected figure in the sport.